To maximize your earnings on YouTube, it is important to select a niche with high RPM, which stands for revenue per thousand views. RPM is the amount of money you can earn from ads for every 1000 views after YouTube takes its cut, while CPM, or the cost advertiser pay per 1000 ad impressions, is important. Ultimately, RPM is what matters most. In this article, we will share the top 5 most profitable niches based on their high RPM potential. First on the list is education, which covers topics such as online courses, skill development platforms, educational apps, and more. This niche has an average RPM of $4 to up to $15. Channels like Khan Academy and Skillshare help viewers gain new skills and knowledge, making it a worthwhile niche for advertisers. Next is the broad technology niche, which includes software, gadgets, hardware reviews, and tutorials on the latest innovations. RPM in this niche runs from $5 up to $25. Popular channels like Marcus Brownlee and Linus Tech Tips attract tech enthusiasts hungry for information on new products. High demand from both viewers and advertisers drives up earnings. Now we turn our attention to the lucrative field of making money online, which encompasses various methods such as affiliate marketing, blogging, freelancing, and other online income strategies. The average revenue per 1000 views in this niche ranges from $6 to $30. Viewers flock to channels like Kevin David and Income School to acquire knowledge on how to earn online and establish their own digital businesses. With a vast potential audience and high relevance for advertisers, this niche presents a significant opportunity for substantial earnings. Moving up the ladder, we encounter the investing, trading, and personal finance niche, which boasts an RPM of $8 to $40. The audience in this niche is eager to make intelligent financial decisions. Channels like Graham Stephan attract highly engaged viewers who are focused on growing their wealth. Advertisers are willing to pay a premium to reach this audience. However, the highest earning niche is the insurance and loan sector, with an astronomical RPM of $10 to $60. Platforms like Policy Bazaar cater to viewers who are making significant life purchases and are actively seeking insurance and loan options. Advertisers in this space are willing to pay exorbitant amounts to capture the attention of these intent-driven individuals. In conclusion, these are the top 5 niches for achieving high YouTube earnings. I hope this information assists you in selecting the right niche with substantial RPM potential. If you found this content helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Feel free to leave any niche related questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and may you dominate your chosen niche in 2023. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.